Broadcom pushing you towards subscription licensing? Should you stick with Perpetual or make the switch? Here's the reality. Broadcom, like many vendors, is shifting customers to subscription models. Symantec and CA products have already moved, and VMware is heading the same way, but which model is right for you depends on cost, flexibility, and strategy. Let's start with cost. Perpetual licenses mean a big upfront spend, with lower ongoing maintenance. Over time, that can be cheaper, but Broadcom often raises maintenance fees to push customers off Perpetual. Subscriptions spread costs as OpEx, but usually end up higher over 3 to 5 years, even though support and upgrades are included. Flexibility is another factor. With Perpetual, you own the license forever, even if you drop maintenance. With subscription, stop paying and you lose the right to use. Scaling up can be easy, but scaling down usually isn't, unless you negotiate true down rights. Subscriptions also unlock new features. Broadcom often reserves innovation for subscription customers. Perpetual buyers may be left behind unless they stay current on maintenance. So how do you negotiate? If Broadcom is pushing you to subscription, demand credit for your existing Perpetual investment, lock pricing for multiple years, and cap renewals. If you want to stay Perpetual, negotiate maintenance terms aggressively to block steep uplifts. Here's a quick rule of thumb. A large, stable environment that doesn't need cutting-edge updates. Perpetual may be more cost-effective. A fast-moving environment with cloud integrations or frequent updates. Subscription might make sense, but only on your terms. The key is control. Whether Perpetual or subscription, Broadcom's contracts are negotiable. At Redress Compliance, we help enterprises choose the right model, cap costs, and secure terms that align with their strategy, not Broadcom's. If you're weighing subscription versus Perpetual under Broadcom, contact us today.